Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Nice rainy night here. Sorry for the no intro of this video. We just kind of stumbled upon this gal. She got herself into a little bit of a mess here. Rainy, wet, slippery roads. She missed her turn and over went the car. Had a little bit of a tough time getting her out. I was actually stuck on a culvert on the other side, and we had to make a second attempt at the pool, but we were actually on our way to another call. We had a guy stuck in a van in a driveway, so we caught this gal on our way to that call, and we were able to get her taken care of. So here it is. Enjoy the show.
No, yeah, we saw your car and we were on our way to another call actually. I was like, I can't leave you like this.
Oh shoot,
So, no, you're okay. I just want to okay. Right. Completely up to you. If you've got AAA.
I have AAA and I have insurance.
Yeah.
I need a car. And right now I'm just my baby
Full coverage, liability. That just, if you've got full coverage, they'll pay for it. They'll cover the other person's car, not yours. That's what they reimburse you unless you call them. So, yeah. Are you thinking you want to wait on AAA then? Yeah, it just depends on.
Hi, my name is Mary. I was driving this vehicle. Stop. Can I go? Just wanted to know if the tow driver, I just happened to stop. So I guess I'm having to say, you know, oh, I technically fine.
I should be close to it. Are you gonna pull straight back? Yeah.
All right. Hold on a sec. He's got the police have the car moved in a dangerous position. Let me just see. Hi.
Hi.
Ma'am, you're with the tow company, right?
Yes.
Can this be towed to Rick's in Sevierville?
Yes.
Yes, I can tow it to Rick's in Sevierville. Okay. Will do.
Sakes. Yeah, he's going to move that truck, so if you want to come up here for a second.
Alright, the tow truck doesn't have a place for me. I think the easiest thing is for me to ask this.
Here, come over here for me, ma'am. Careful. Just right here in this gravel will be fine. Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
I'm perfectly fine.
Well, I'm so glad. That's scary. Yeah. Well, that's good. Were you trying to turn there and just missed your turn? Or?
Just by this much.
Yeah, just by a little bit.
When you're all done, please make sure the police officer doesn't leave without the
Yes, yes, of course. Actually,
there he is.
so what we'll do is we'll get it out, and if you want to wait here for your husband, you can leave your car here and have to go get over there.
Oh, that would be perfect. That would be perfect.
And then he can come back.
Yep. Yep. That would.
And then we'll come back and get this and then tow it over.
Terrific.
Okay.
Are the keys in it? I must be on a pretty good coach.
It's definitely a car, don't you say?
Yep.
Does it help if you got a low pool in the back?
No, it's
That way you're not getting soaking wet.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we got called out for an insurance job in a Comcast, some kind of cable guy, I guess.
That's probably them.
Somebody else.
Everything Auto.
Hi, my name is Denise with the Jero. Are you there?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you now. I'm calling in regards to the winch off service for reference number on the Ford Transit.
Yes, ma'am. We are just now arriving on scene. We had a bit of trouble finding him. But we are...
All right, no problem. I just had that customer on the back line wondering what was going on.
Yes, we've just now arrived on scene. We'll get him taken care of.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Anyway, we can see him up here. I don't know if I'll be able to help him because I can't get around him.
Yeah, that's going to be fun. You're just going to pull sideways, I suppose. Do you like my suggestion? Just pull him sideways. It just needs pulled back to the road. Anyway, we're up here in Sky Harbor. It's raining. The leaves are falling. It's intense.
The old man's snoring.
Do you want this?
No.
I'll take it. Do you want the regular flashlight?
No.
He is in a no mood.
You want a rain jacket? I got two.
Yes, I do. I'm already soaked, but I'll take one anyway. Anyway, this is the fella that needs our help. He's been on his break. We've been trying to find him.
can't get around him.
Nope.
Let's see if there's any trees. Is that an extension cord?
Sure looks like it. He's not on the extension cord. Well, that's good news. His front tire's on. Hi, how are you?
You got better if I wasn't here.
You got the shaky leg going on? I'm so sorry that we had a hard time finding you here.
No, I figured you would. It's not.
I'm just gonna try to get some stuff set up here. It's a little high, but
it looks like there's a couple of big ones there.
Right in here there are.
Yeah.
But it's a little high.
It's a little high. Okay.
We'll see.
We'll get you out of here. Hey, good news.
What?
You stopped in good time. Because your front tire here is still on the pavement.
Oh yeah, I know.
So that's excellent. So thank you.
But yeah.
The back one is dug in a little bit.
Yeah, so
You tried.
I felt that twice. I tried to put it in drive.
Yeah.
I didn't know how far I was.
Yeah.
But I told my supervisor, said I'm not backing up this hill.
No. No, I don't blame you.
And I'm going to ask this, I don't know, is there, like, he could pick the back end up, swing it over, put it on the pavement?
I don't think... I don't think we could, just because it's dug in so much.
Crap, it is dug in.
Yeah, can you see? I'm sure you weren't able to see, but yeah, it's dug in pretty good there. So what he's going to do is probably try to pull you forward. You didn't slide, did you? You just backed down off of it?
I just backed down off of
Okay.
it, and then I tried to go, and that's when...
Right, yeah. No, it's okay. It happens. It happens a lot. You've probably driven up here before, so you probably know.
This is the first time I got stuck up here.
Yeah, no. Up here, I heard. Have you been stuck before? It happens.
Yeah, I've been stuck in somebody in flat ground.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you get in somebody's yard or something?
These things
Yeah.
sometimes so light.
Is it loaded down with stuff? No?
I mean, it's got equipment, it's got a little bit of cable, but I mean, it's not that.
Nothing super heavy? Okay, awesome. That's good to know. That is...
Probably I've got, what, each one of my reels of cable, I probably got half a reel, less than that probably on some of them, so yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah. It should be all right. I'm going to walk around this way and look some more.
And I may need some guidance.
Absolutely, yes. I'll come back here.
If
Yes.
I'm going to back that.
Yes. Yeah, no. We'll get you pulled out and then we'll get you to flat ground.
I feel this is embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. No, don't be embarrassed because it happens all the time. And anytime here I back up, we always get the other one out to, to guide, just because it's so easy and there's no markers or anything. They should have continued this all the way down. Yes, yeah, we're married. Yeah. But yeah, we won't leave you. We won't leave you until you're headed the right direction. You're probably going back out to the parkway, right? Spur? Yeah, okay. We'll get you pointed that way. Pigeon Forge. We're just out off of Upper Middle Creek, back on Dollywood. So,
What's the name of it?
Everything Auto.
Everything.
Yes.
When they said it, they said it fast.
Yeah, they do. And then their phones aren't always really good, so they kind of break up. You can't really understand what they're saying half the time. Hopefully no one's came out and yelled at you for blocking the drive, right?
No, there's nobody here.
Okay, all right.
This is a camping facility.
Oh, okay. Usually that's what we deal with too. People come out and they're like, oh, I've been yelled at. And yeah. Like you can move, like you can help it. So.
Yeah, everything was good, and then all of a sudden it started raining about the time this happened. And
yeah, this rain, it's awful. And then this time of year, all the leaves and everything is on the pavement. And I mean, even if the wind blows it off, it still leaves that residue and it makes it all slick and everything. So fortunately, there aren't leaves covering this one. And see, usually we get that too. People try to go up those driveways that are covered in leaves and it's just impossible. What's the plan?
I'm just going to pull him back forward.
Pull him forward, okay. So I'll stand over here and guide you, but I'm probably not going to stand right here. I'll probably scoot up a little bit. Not that I don't trust you or all the stuff or anything, but you know.
Just let me know what I need to do.
Absolutely. So narrow, you see his truck barely fits on this, just barely. So,
Probably could have just hooked him.
I was going to say, do you think you can just pull him sideways?
Yeah, hooked him on the, like we were towing him away, but at that blacktop right there is really high.
Yeah, I don't trust that. That's scary.
I think it would have let me.
I don't think so either. He's dug in quite a bit over there, so yeah. He said he's not loaded down too much. Where do you want this? You want this over here and me to take that?
Yeah, I just put it back here because we'll be pulling it forward. Shouldn't be too bad.
I'm going to go on the other side. You probably want him at some point to go to just neutral or drive?
Probably drive.
Okay. All right. I'm going over.
Cable up here. Okay, I'd start it up.
Want him to get his gas?
Um,
Or just have it and drive and just be ready to give it gas?
yeah, I probably just have it in drive and ready to give it gas. Okay.
Okay, you have it drive?
Yeah, let off.
Let off your brakes, get ready to
A little bit of gas. Okay, hold the brake.
Hold the brake, Tony. You on the brake, Tony? Awesome.
We
barely on here.
He should be okay. I'm gonna go up and watch.
You're gonna go out and try having drive forward?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I think he's pretty much okay.
Hold the brake. But not a whole lot.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
You don't go back.
All right. Yes. Okay, I'm free.
You're just gonna hang tight there until you get out of the way, right?
Yep.
Okay. Look at this. This is where his back tire was.
It could have been bad if
Could have
that
been very bad, yeah.
retaining wall, but he's up there now. We're gonna get him back up here in just a sec. So hang tight, you two.
So you can help this fella back down. That driveway is super steep. He's gonna be up on the other side. Okay. I bet he hugs the passenger side from now on, forevermore.
Yep, you got it. Straight back.
Down, safe, and sound. Awesome.
All right, guys, we had to do that other winch out with the Connect van, but we're back over here to get this little Dodge. I think our camera died when we were doing the winch out, but I just wanted to show you guys what this gal was in. It was a little bit of a crazy pull. We were pulling from here. Here's her marks. She was down in that, and this concrete ledge right here. Concrete ledge had her tire hung up pretty good, so I made it a really tough pull. We ended up getting behind it. We got her up out of there, but I know it's dark and the footage probably doesn't do much here, but that's probably 8 feet down, 7 feet down. It's a good ravine right there. But we're going to get her over to the repair shop. It did bust the radiator, so she is not drivable, but we're going to get her over there. Thanks for watching, guys.